Welcome back to another video. My name is Derek. Today we're going to be going over some of the things that you might have missed out from last week, along with some of the new things available at MobileSentrix. So let's get into the video. One of the new exciting things at MobileSentrix that I showed last week was the introduction to the UK location. We're now open in the UK, which has given us a greater reach to the world as far as parts distribution. So we're really excited about that. On Tuesday, I went over the LS2 heating platform and the TB10 Pro Infrared multimeter and thermal camera. Great products by Sunshine. I do have the thermal camera multimeter combo to review. I just need to find a repair that I can show you it with. So make sure that you're subscribed and that you have the notifications on so that you don't miss out when I drop this video. On Wednesday, I went over the JCI drawing beginner guide, kind of navigating the board view portion of the software so that you can get a general understanding of how to navigate the software and start your process into fixing logic board issues. I also made a video on the RL210 portable soldering iron. We went over kind of the features, giving it kind of a rating and seeing how it lived up to certain tests. A great little soldering iron that is portable, on the go, something that you can use on site for a variety of different repairs. And finally, we went over the LS5 constant temperature heating and pressure tool. This, in my opinion, is a step up from other presses, as this one applies the heat, allowing you to activate that adhesive just a little bit more when you're trying to compress a display into the frame, getting that adhesive bond, getting a better seal closer to factory seal. So if you haven't checked out any of those videos, go back to last week and take a look. Now, I mentioned it before, but I'll mention it again. If you're in the UK, now you'll have something that is more localized for you so that you can have all of the parts that you need to do all of the repairs that you have. We've introduced our AQ7 for the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. These are 120 Hz refresh rate screens that are IC transfer compatible. And now in stock, we have the AQ7 LCD assembly compatible for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Also 120 Hz refresh rate that is IC transfer compatible and at a stellar price, allowing you to offer much more affordable repair to your clients. If there's a tool that you'd like to see featured, whether it's a new tool on our website or something older that you haven't seen before, leave it in the comments below. If there's a specific repair that you'd like to see me demonstrate, comment it down below as well. Got a bunch of fun videos coming out this week, so stay tuned for those. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.